These true wireless earbuds, the S2075, are absolutely wonderful. They have been doing great. So this, I charged them once this week, and I've used them this morning pretty much all day, pretty much all morning. And they are like, they stay on your ear. They do not fall. This little piece there, whoops, this little piece there do stay on your ear, and it doesn't make them fall. You can call somebody, you can pick up the phone, hang up. You can listen to music, play, pause, change a song. They're really good, really, really good. It came with the charge, like a charge cord. You just need the adapter for the wall, for the plug for the wall. It's a C-type plug that's gonna go at the back, right there, and some extra little piece for the ear. 100% recommend.